So I wanted one of these really nice absolute Digimatic calipers by Mitutoyo, and I found one on eBay, but it's got a few issues. It won't turn on, and I'm going to show you how to replace the battery, which is a little bit tricky, and I think we'll be able to clean this up and make it slide a lot better. So to replace the batteries, we're going to need a little pick. So we'll take one out and we'll open the battery compartment, which slides down and then tilts up and actually comes off. Then the battery just doesn't pop out. We need to carefully bring it out, and there it comes out. This is an AG13 or LR44 or 357. There are many different numbers based on the manufacturer. We'll just put a brand new one in there and see how it works. So here's a new battery. We'll drop it in. Get the case nice and flush, and then we'll turn it on. Hey. Nice and bright. There we are, zeroed. Right now it's in incremental. We're going to stop that. We can get rid of that by pushing the origin and absolute button for more than 2 seconds. There it goes away. Now we'll just zero that. There we go. And let's clean it up. One of the safest ways to clean this up is to use some isopropyl or rubbing alcohol. We've got some little alcohol pads, and the key is to clean up this slot. We'll clean up the jaws, clean up the slot, and we'll clean up the bar. If anyone knows why there's a little notch at the end of this for depth, please let me know, because I don't know. I'd love to find out. But this is in fairly good shape. It's old, but it's been treated nicely. It's got some wear on it, but it's just a little sticky. And then we'll clean the body of this a little bit, as well as the top and bottom rail edges, the jaw faces. And we'll see how this slides. So that's a really easy way to clean this up and improve the function. Yeah, it's pretty good now. Slides pretty nicely. So it goes back to 0, which is nice. We'll go to inches. And then we'll run it. Yeah, it goes back to 0. So that's really quite nice. This is a very precise caliper. I'm going to be using it for metalworking. I think these are really the gold standard. Nice the way it comes back into alignment. Very reproducible. So, battery replacement and cleaning to improve the function of this Mitutoyo Digital inch and millimeter absolute Digimatic caliper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please stay safe. And enjoy these wonderful tools. Again, this is Dr. Joe with Mountain Journey and Adventures. Please subscribe, please comment, please like if you wish. Stay safe.